Specific information, Jammu police had laid a naka at Vivekanand Chowk in Jammu city and apprehended two persons from the valley, namely Fayaz Ahmad Dar, who is a resident of Beach Bihara, and Arshad Ahmed, who is a resident of Shopaiya. From their possession, a recovery of 260 grams of heroin and 12 lakh 600 rupees in cash was made. Then they were put to sustained interrogation and SIT was constituted, which was headed by Shri Amritpal Singh, SP North. It had 4 other members, in which SDPO North Jaswant Singh was also a team member. SSP Jammu was supervising the interrogation as well as the investigation, and you will be happy to learn that after a very concerted effort on the part of Jammu police, the revelation was made by Arshad that there is a person by the name of Muhammad Altaf alias Hafiz, son of Khadim Hussain, who is resident of Behruti Kanga, which is a border village in Balakot sector of Mendha, who was actually smuggling narcotics into India and was receiving the consignments right on the zero border in his village. On his disclosure, that is on the disclosure of Hafiz, who was arrested on the 21st of this month, on 23rd, Jammu police went to the village of in Balakot sector and made a recovery of 12 kilograms of heroin. What is interesting to note is that in the interrogation of Arshad Ahmed, what came out is that Fayaz, the other person who had gone across, who was arrested, had gone across, that is to Pakistan, in January of 2018. Fayaz's brother, Ayaz, is a Pak-trained militant of Hizbul Mujahideen. He had infiltrated into J&K, had operated in J&K, and then had gone back or exfiltrated to Pakistan and is presently living in Rawalpindi. Fayaz, on his visit to Pakistan, met his brother Ayaz, who introduced him to another HM terrorist who is also from India, from J&K, named Ajaz. He is also from HM outfit. He is also living in Rawalpindi. And Ajaz put Arshad in contact with his conduits who are into smuggling of narcotics in J&K. So basically this is a nexus of HM militants from J&K who are Pak-trained militants presently in Pakistan with the narco smugglers who are living on our side of the border. And this Arshad was being given contact and was being directed from across as to where the consignment is being sent, how to receive them, where to fetch them, to whom to give it to. What is interesting is that there are 2 threads. So one of the thread has been worked out backwards, and we found that it was originating in Balakot sector in Mender. The other thread works out to the valley. We are still working on it, and therefore I will not be in a position to reveal much about it. Suffice it to say that in this thread, the investigation has been very professionally done by Jammu police. So much so that 4 of the accounts, bank accounts, 1 in ICICI Bank, 2 in HDFC Bank, and 1 in JK Bank of Arshad has been frozen. And with this, in 2019, we have now registered 341 cases under NDPS Act with 454 arrests. In the corresponding period of last year, that is 2018, there were 231 cases. So there is an increase of more than 110 cases. And there were only 302 arrests last year till in the corresponding period, whereas this year it is 454. The seizure of heroin was 31 kgs. This year it is 57 kgs. Of charas it was 31 kgs. This year it is 111. Of Corex, which is again a very a very important drug for abuse in Jammu, which is coming from Delhi and Punjab into our state. When compared to last year, when we had a seizure of 1941 bottles, this year it is 15,676 bottles. And poppy straw, which was 1,672 kgs last year in the corresponding period, this year it is 5,035 kgs. Apart from that, you also must be noticing, and I'm also very thankful to all my friends in the media that we are getting a lot of support from you. We are also bringing about drug awareness in a big way and trying to bring the awareness as to how this pernicious activity can be controlled and children can be weaned out from this problem. And we are going not only to schools and colleges, but we have also got now programs like Care for Your Buddy, Counselors Against Drug Abuse. We have also flashed our WhatsApp numbers, etc. 9086 100 100, on which we have requested everyone who is aware of anything, any illegal drug activity, to give information to us, and we shall act on them. Thank you.
सिन्हा साहब, मुझे ये बताइएगा कि आपने सीधा बोला कि हिजबुल मुजाहिदीन का सीधा कॉन्ट्रैक्ट था इनके साथ
जी,
तो हम ये माने कि मतलब जो पैसा आ रहा है इस नार्कोस से सीधा टेररिज्म में यूज हो रहा है जम्मू कश्मीर में, उसमें उसका इस्तेमाल किया जा रहा है?
At the moment, the answer to this question is that we are investigating that. Where the money is going, that is why we have frozen the accounts. We are trying to study, we are going to audit the accounts, we are trying to find out as to how the money is circulating and where it is circulating. So once I have that bit of information and confirmed evidence of that, we will share it with you.
ऐसा लग तो रहा है क्योंकि
Yes, as I will, I would not be persuaded to answer that question directly. Suffice it to say that at the moment, the evidence that we have, and clinching evidence at that, is that this person went across in January of 2018. He met his brother, who is a park-trained militant, has operated in J&K, has exfiltrated back. He put him across to another person who is again a HM terrorist. Both of them were in touch with this person, Arshad, on phone. They were guided by him to regarding the persons to be contacted, the conduits, the consignments, etc. Yes. The consignments are coming from LOC. Is what has been revealed to us. The other, because the matter is still under investigation, maybe it's coming from other places also. It may get revealed. Of 12,06,000. As far as the 4 accounts are concerned, they are auditing it. We will come to it, but it is in lakhs.
Sir,
अगर नारकोटिक्स अगर हम जब्त करते हैं, सीज करते हैं, तो उसमें से सैंपल निकाल के हमें एफएसएल को भेजना होता है, और केमिकल एग्जामिनर के रिपोर्ट के बाद ही हम इस बात की तस्दीक कर सकते हैं कि ये वाकई वो सब्सटेंस है या नहीं है. लिहाजा जिस समय तक नारकोटिक्स की केमिकल रिपोर्ट नहीं आती है, एफएसएल की रिपोर्ट नहीं आती है, तब तक हम उसको लाइक सब्सटेंस ही मानते हैं.
Sir, and what media?
Till we get a confirmation from the FSL, it will not be appropriate for us to certify that this is a particular drug.
डायरेक्टली टेररिज्म के साथ नहीं है, लेकिन यस इसका जो टच विद द मिलिटेंट्स अक्रॉस द बॉर्डर है वो है. बट हाउ ही इज इन टच विद द मिलिटेंट्स हियर, दैट वी आर स्टिल वेरीफाइंग. फयाज का ब्रदर जो है, ही इज अक्रॉस द बॉर्डर, हु इज अ ट्रेन्ड मिलिटेंट, ही सेटल्ड देयर एंड ही इज इन टच. सो हाउ दे आर गाइडिंग देम, सो दैट इज स्टिल ऑल्सो पार्ट ऑफ द इन्वेस्टिगेशन विच इज गोइंग ऑन.